Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the updated sound booster and granting microphone and audio permissions so the app can process sound. Connect wired headphones or good speakers to get accurate feedback and set your system volume to about 50% as a safe baseline. Once done, close competing audio apps to prevent conflicts, and, if the app asks, allow a battery optimization exception so it runs reliably in the background while you adjust. You now configure boost and equalization. Increase boost in small 1 dB steps while watching the output meter to prevent clipping. Use a preset EQ to start, then create a custom 3-band curve, bass, mid, treble, to target problem frequencies and save it as a profile for future use. Once done, enable noise reduction and the transient limiter to keep audio clean and prevent harsh spikes when you push levels higher. You finish by testing across content types, music, podcasts, and system sounds to ensure consistent quality. Switch profiles or tweak EQ bands to suit each source. If you hear distortion or crackling, immediately lower the boost by 2 to 4 dB and confirm the transient limiter is active. That fixes most issues. In rare cases of routing errors, reset to the default profile or reinstall the app, and make sure system audio drivers are up to date to resolve persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.